Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A, A2, and jetback pinsetters. Now, today we're going to be doing adjustment number 13, the deck lift shaft adjustment. I've never done this adjustment, and it took me a little bit of reading these paragraphs and these 3 steps here a couple times before I finally realized what the hell it all meant. Personally, I think that they should have worded this a little bit different. On the first step, I think they should have put the second sentence first. Kind of make a little bit more sense. So basically, what we need to check is from your pivot point here, from the center of basically from your bolt here that mounts the deck lift shaft to your frame, to the center of your back row of pin spots needs to be 15 and 13/16. So I'm going to show you how I would do it, but I'm not going to unbolt or tweak my machine because unless it's really far off. When it comes to deck height and machine positioning, it's a little bit funky because of how they installed our decks. So our machines are maxed out on height and everything like that. So the lanes were not installed properly. So unfortunately, our machine adjustments with that kind of stuff can't be moved too much because we have them where it works now. So I'm going to show you how I would do it, and let's get started. What I'm going to use, tape measure, a level or straight edge, and your old telescoring pencils. So, like any other adjustment, we're going to go ahead and turn off the breaker. So we're going to turn off the breaker, unplug the machine. We're going to go on under here. We're going to eyeball the center here. And that should be good. We're going to make our mark here. So it's going to be kind of like doing the finding the 0 line. Except I'm going to go all the way up to the top of the kickback. Okay, so transfer the line up to the top of the kickback here. So I'm gonna have my level here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from the center of the bolt head to here, and mine needs to be tweaked, except unfortunately I can't. So mine's at 15, so it doesn't have the 13/16, but I'll show you what to do if you're in the position that I would be in if I had the correct lanes. So what you're going to do is you're going to loosen all 4 corners of your bolts here, and what those will do is that'll slide your machine back and forth. So it's super simple. Kind of a pain though, because you're gonna have to shift the whole machine. So yeah, so you'll loosen all 4 corners here and basically just slide your machine forward or backwards according to here. So for me, I'd need to slide my machine back just a little bit just to get that 13/16. but mine's pretty damn close, and it works. So I'm also not in the position to move anything like that because of that. So I said super simple adjustment. So yeah, you take your straight edge level, go to the center of your back row pin spots, transfer onto kickback. Make sure you get it up here. Use that same straight edge. There, measure from the center of your bolt head to the straight edge, and you should be at 15 and 13/16. I'm at 15. Can't move it because of my how the damn lanes were installed. But super simple. Once you find out your dimensions, that'll tell you whether you need to move your machine forward or backwards. How you do that is your 4 corners of your adjusting screws, and then you move the machine, and make sure you do both sides, because if you move one side, then the next side should still be messed up. Well, that's it. It's in the adjustment. Sorry, that one isn't as hands-on and intuitive as the rest of the adjustments that I've done. But like I said, mine, I can't move mine too much, because basically they just took the new synthetic panels and put them right on top of the old. So my lanes are sitting too high, and my machines are already maxed out, and my pins can't even be on spot, because if they are, then they wobble, fall over, and get knocked down by the deck. So again, I apologize, but I hope this helped a little bit. The book's way of saying that all that shit it's a little bit confusing. It's a little bit confusing. I hope this helped kind of eliminate some of that confusion. And like I said, please leave questions in the comments below for this, and I will answer them happily. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.